Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best GoPro Dual Battery Charger is probably one of the most essential accessories for any serious GoPro user, ensuring you never miss a moment of adventure due to a dead battery. This dual charger allows you to power up two GoPro batteries simultaneously, significantly reducing downtime and keeping your camera ready for action whether you're scaling mountains, diving into the ocean, or simply capturing everyday life. Its compact design and efficient charging capabilities make it a must-have for extended trips and action-packed days, providing peace of mind that your GoPro will always be charged and ready when inspiration strikes. Number 5. TELESIN 2 Batteries Plus Triple Slot Charger for GoPro Hero 12 11 10 9. Introducing the TELESIN Power Solution, designed for your GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, and 9. It's the perfect companion for extended adventures. This versatile device works as both a protective storage case and a powerful charger. It can simultaneously charge up to 3 batteries, keeping them safe from dust and moisture. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable. Easily slip it into your bag and charge on the go using your laptop, car adapter, or power bank via the Type-C port. Boost your GoPro's running time with these 1750 mAh replacement batteries. You can fully charge 3 batteries in approximately 2.5 hours, ensuring you never miss a moment. Rest assured, it's built with safety in mind. It offers comprehensive protection against overcharging, short circuits, and other potential hazards. A red light indicates charging, and green means fully charged. Engineered with the same chip as OEM products, it guarantees safe and reliable performance without harming your camera. Enjoy peace of mind with our 12-month warranty and dedicated customer support. What we like. This charger offers 2 solutions in one, acting as both a storage box and a triple slot charger. It keeps your batteries safe from dust and debris while stored. If you need a versatile solution for travel and longer shooting days, this is the one for you. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges batteries quickly and efficiently, so you can get back to shooting in no time. The dual charging capability allows you to charge 2 batteries simultaneously, saving you time. Number 4. TELESIN Triple Battery Charger for GoPro Hero 12 11 10 9. Never miss a moment with this charger. It can power up 3 batteries at the same time, ensuring you're always ready for your next adventure. Get back to shooting quickly. This device fully charges your batteries in just 2 hours, perfect for those multi-day trips where time is precious. Designed to work perfectly with your original GoPro batteries. The magnetic connectors ensure a stable and reliable charge every time. Your batteries are protected. It automatically stops charging when full and has built-in safeguards against overheating and power issues. Take it anywhere. This compact case stores and charges your batteries, fitting easily into your bag or pocket, and it's even dust and water resistant. Know your battery status at a glance. The simple LED indicator clearly shows when your batteries are charging or fully charged, even in low light. What we like. This charger can power up 3 GoPro batteries simultaneously in just 2 hours, making it ideal for multi-day adventures. Its compact design eliminates the need for bulky charging stations. If you're looking for quick turnarounds and essential travel convenience, this charger is a great choice. What people say. This charger is a great accessory for my GoPro. It charges my GoPro batteries quickly and efficiently. The compact design makes it easy to carry around. Number 3. TELESIN Enduro Battery 2-Pack for GoPro. Introducing the TELESIN Enduro Battery 2-Pack, designed to keep your GoPro powered through any adventure. Experience long-lasting performance that matches the original, ensuring you never miss a moment. Don't let the cold stop you. These batteries are built to perform even in freezing temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, allowing you to shoot normally in most environments. Enjoy consistent and accurate power display with every use. Each battery is tested for high quality, providing stable power support without sudden drops. Our batteries outperform the original in low temperatures, offering extended recording times when you need them most. Capture stunning footage, no matter the climate. Get back to shooting faster with support for fast charging. Fully recharge your batteries in as little as 85 minutes using a compatible charger. Whether you're traveling or embarking on outdoor adventures, these batteries are your reliable companion for extended action camera recording. What we like. These batteries offer long-lasting power, performing the same as original Enduro batteries at room temperature and even better in low temperatures. They are built to withstand environments as low as -20 degrees Celsius. If you're an adventurer who shoots in extreme cold or needs reliable power for extended periods, these are the batteries you need. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges the GoPro batteries quickly and efficiently. The dual charging capability allows you to charge 2 batteries simultaneously. Number 2. TELESIN AllinBox Charger for GoPro Hero 12-11-10-9. Introducing the TELESIN AllinBox, your ultimate travel companion. It functions as a charger for up to 3 batteries, a high-speed SD card reader, and a secure storage case for your batteries and cards. Designed with a unique and vivid aesthetic, this charger stands out. Its compact and lightweight form, complete with a lanyard, makes it easy to carry in any bag. With IP54 waterproof rating, it ensures your batteries and SD cards are safe from water, dust, and debris. Everything is stored securely and stably, even during transit. Keep your adventures going longer by boosting your camera's running time. It's fully compatible with your GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, and 9 black cameras and batteries. Rest assured with comprehensive safety protections. It's designed to prevent overcharging, short circuits, electronic shock, and other potential hazards. This compact case is ideal for travel, vlogging, and everyday use. It neatly stores 3 batteries and 3 SD cards, ensuring you're always prepared. What we like. This all-in-one box serves as a charger for 3 batteries, a high-speed SD card reader, and a storage case for batteries and cards. It also features IP54 waterproofing for added protection. If you value convenience, organization, and a stylish design for your vlogging or travel needs, this is the perfect accessory. What people say. The charger has a dual battery capacity, allowing you to charge 2 GoPro batteries simultaneously. It features a USB-C port for fast charging, significantly reducing the time it takes to power up your batteries. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Number 1. TELESIN Pocket Charger for GoPro Hero 12-11-10-9. Introducing the TELESIN Pocket Charger, designed to be incredibly thin and compact. It easily fits into your pocket, making it perfect for on-the-go charging. Unlike other chargers, this one features a side charging port. This allows you to store it neatly with the cable, making it much more convenient for travel. No more guessing your battery levels. It has 4 smart indicator lights that clearly show you the remaining power in 4 distinct levels. This charger can hold and charge up to 3 batteries simultaneously. It fully charges all 3 in just 150 minutes, and can also store 2 TF SD cards. It's compatible with all TELESIN batteries for GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, and 9, as well as GoPro's original and Enduro batteries. Please note it is not compatible with older GoPro models. Charge and store your batteries together in one compact case. It's the ideal companion for travel and ensures you're always ready for longer shooting days. What we like. This charger is incredibly compact, fitting easily into your pocket, and features a unique side charging port for added convenience. It also includes a smart indicator with 4 levels to show your remaining power. If you prioritize portability and quick power checks on the go, this pocket-sized charger is an excellent option. What people say. It charges 2 batteries at once. It has a USB-C port for charging. The charger is compact and easy to carry around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.